Hi guys, hope you are all well. Welcome to Arm Candy. We have this piece of Dolce and Gabbana for you today, and this is a Dolce and Gabbana lily, and it's black and it's cool and it's got 1,000 zips, but it makes it look so rock chic. It's amazing. It doesn't actually have 1,000 zips, that was a bit of an exaggeration, but it's got a lot of zips. But how cool does that look? I just think that looks really cool. Again, we've had a couple of Tamara bags, and I think she would also quite like this one too, because she loves herself a little bit of rock chic bling. But yeah, so this is a lily, and it's in this gorgeous leather, which is nice and padded and lovely. It's gorgeous. It feels really nice, and it's just got so many different fabrics and textures that it feels really tactile and lovely. So yeah. What shall I do first? Let's show you what it comes with. It comes with the Dolce and Gabbana dust bag, first of all. And so, the features. So you've got the double top handles up here, which open up to all these zips. And there's actually only 3 compartments. So the middle 3 zips all go into the middle compartment. So this is the main zip to the middle compartment. And in there, you've got 1 flat pocket. But you can also gain access to it by these 2 middle zips as well. The external zips, the other 2, they open up into pockets. So you've got a pocket there on the front and a pocket here on the back. And you can see where the chain handles thread through as well. So that's all the storage that you get. You've also got this plaque D&G bag lily, so telling you what it is. You've also got the D&G here, and oh, is it on this one? No, not on this one. You've also got D&G on the hardware on the bottom. How good do those base studs look? They are, honestly, they're immaculate. The hardware of this bag, considering there's so much of it, it looks incredible. I think the hardware what makes this bag, and I love myself some padded leather, so it's just a beautiful bag. Have I shown you the sizing of it? I'll come back and show you. So here it is as a shoulder. I'm about 5'4" and a size 8. Sits really comfortably by your shoulder like this, and also I think it looks quite cool like that as a tote. But of course all the sizing will be on the website. So yeah, I'll talk you through the condition of it. We've called the external condition very good. There are no marks on the bag. There may be the odd sign of wear because it is pre-loved, but there is just no marks to show you. It's been beautifully kept and it just looks lovely. So I've called it very good because there may be the odd sign of wear, but nothing major to show you, so that's why it is very good. I've called the internal condition good. There are the odd mark on the inside, I don't know if you can see that. But then I think that was it. But yeah, there's the odd sign of wear, but nothing major, no big marks, no rips, just the odd little thing, the odd little sign of wear, so that's why I've called it good. And the hardware I have called very good. It looks excellent. There's the odd little scratch, I think. Let me try and show you. Wow, it's hard to show you because there really isn't much to show, but there may be the odd, let me give that a little polish. I've just wiped it all down to try and clean it all. The odd little scratch on the hardware. There may be the odd little scratch on the base studs, but it looks incredible. I'm tempted to call it excellent now I've reviewed it, but yeah, very good. Just because it is a pre-loved bag and there is the odd sign of wear, but it just looks beautiful. This bag is in such gorgeous condition, and it feels so luxurious, and actually it is such a steal. So go and have a look at this on our website if you love this little bit of Dolce and Gabbana. We'll put the link to it in the description below, and you can click through that and it will take you straight to this product. And whilst you are on the website, make sure you sign up to our newsletter. I know we say it all the time, but it is such a good idea to sign up to the newsletter. You get 5% off your first purchase. So they send you a discount code, and that discount code may end up in your spam, so make sure you check your spam. But if you sign up, use your discount code, you get 5% off your first purchase. It comes off at the checkout. As well, make sure you like this video and hit the bell and subscribe to our channel. Whenever a new bag goes up, a new video goes up. So you will be the first to hear because you'll get an alert. So it will be a great idea if you don't want to miss out on your dream bag. And also sign up to our Instagram. It's at armcandybagco. The shop's closed at the moment, but we're still doing loads of work, and it's a really good way to keep up with the shop whilst we are closed under the current restrictions. And you'll be the first to hear when we open up and all the new beautiful stuff gets put out. So yeah, make sure you follow us on Instagram, and it was lovely to show you all this bag today. Bye.